Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, I'm going to talk about definite integrals, fundamental theorem of calculus. So if we have integral from a to b, f of x dx, how to find the integral? Example. See, assume I have, for example, 10 dx from 1 to 4. How to find the integral? First, what is the integral of 10? Is 10x. 10x, but not write plus c, because this one definite integral. So the integral is from 1 to 4. What I have to do? We have to replace. Now x equal to 4 first, 10 x4 minus then x1. First we write 4, place, and then 1. Equal to, but the answer is 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. Using what? This theorem. The theorem said the integral is the f of x, where f of x is the derivative. This one, f of x. Okay. This one is f prime of x is what? The derivative of x. So replace first the first one, okay, and then minus, we replace the second one. This is the theorem. Second one. So look at here. 10 is 10x. This one f of x. So here f is continuous. This theorem says f is continuous from a to b, and f is the derivative of f of x. So the integral will be first fb of minus of. Yeah, and you mean. See what we mean by fb minus f of a, fb minus f of a. See, integral of 10 is 10x. 10x. Then replace x is 4 minus 1. Then now we have a. This one is a. Well, this one is what? B. F of b. Then f of b. X is 4. B is 4 minus 10a. Where the a is 1. A is 1. Another example. Another example. See another example. Okay. Let us, if you ask to find the integral of 6x dx from 1 to 5. How to find the integral? Equal to, now what the answer is, k x to the power n plus 1, and here 1. So it will be 2x squared over 2. Then the integral is from 1 to 5. Equal to the answer now. 6 divided by 2 is the 3x squared. The integral is from 1 to 5. So clear here the derivative of the x squared is 6x. Now replace equal to, the answer is equal to 3x squared minus this one x squared. Now what is the x? The x is first 5b, and here a is 1. Replace first b, which is 5, and then 1. So the answer 3x squared, but replace first b, the b is 5, and then minus, see minus what minus? The a is 1. Equal to, so this one equal to, this one is 75, because 5 squared 25, and this one is 1, so minus 3. So the answer is 72, the answer. Okay, another example. Another example. Let us, if you ask to find the integral of 10x plus 4, and the integral is from, let us say, from 2 to 3, from 2 to 3. Now, equal to, the answer is, what is the integral of 10x? Now, term by term, we have two terms. The first one is 10x. This is 1, will be 2x squared over 2, plus 4. The integral of 4 is 4x. 4x. That is mean this one is 5x squared plus 4x, the answer. But the integral is from what? From 2 to 3. The integral is from 2. The integral is from 2. Okay. The integral is from 2 to 3. Now, equal to, how to find the answer? Equal to, now what have? 5x squared plus 4x. What is the x? What is the b first? The b is 3. The b is 3. Now, then we have to replace, what replace? A. What the a is 2 minus What minus? Now minus, I have 5 again. We have 5, see 5, x squared plus 4x plus 4x. Now what is the x? The x is a. First b is 3, now a is 2. We put here 2. Equal to, the answer is equal to. Now this one is 9, will be 45, plus 12. Okay, now the first one, this is the first one, minus, this one, the second one is 20 plus 8, 20 plus 8, so equal to. Now equal to, the first one is 57 minus 28, 57 minus 28. So the answer, now we get the answer by this one. See, the answer of this one will be 30, okay, 29. The answer is 29, okay? The answer is 29 of this one. Okay, so again, see students, 10x will be 10x squared over 2, and 4 is 4x. Is that? Then replace x, see the x is 3, and the result, the answer, and minus replace x is what? Is 2. First b and then a. So here if I put the 3, this will be 45, this will be 12, which is 57. And what about if I put 2, this will be 20, and this will be 8, will be 28, will be 29. The answer is 29, so this is the answer. Okay, another example. Let's find the integral of, I want to find the integral is, that had said I have from 1 to, for example, 9, I have a 6 square root x dx. Now, the square root x is continuous from 1 to 9, so equal to the answer is. Now, first of all, what I have, this constant, this can write it up, this 6. But what about this one? This means x to the power 1 over 2, square root 1 over 2 dx. Okay, and the integral is from 1 to 9, equal to. Now, what the integral is? K, this k, you write it out, this k, constant. Okay, so k will be 6. This one is 6. Okay, and the x, what the x is? The x to the power n plus 1, so it will be 3 over 2 over n plus 1. Okay, and the integral is from what? From 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, equal to. Now this can be simplified. Again, half will be 1.5 over 1.5, because there will n plus 1 over n plus 1, equal to. Now I have here 6, okay, multiplied by this one, multiplied by 2 over 3, so this will be 4. Okay, I correct all of them, it's equal to 4. Okay, so I corrected 4. 4, and what we have? We have x to the power 3 over 2, because this one 6 times will be 2 over 3, will be 12 over 3, which is equal to 4. Now, the integral is from 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, equal to. So the answer is equal to. Equal what? Equal 4 multiplied by what? X, now, to the power 3 over 2. X to the power, what is the x here I have? The x is 9. Replace b, x is 9. To the power is 3 over 2. Then minus, see minus. What minus? 4. Now replace x. What the x is? The x is 1, from 1 to 9. Now a is 1. Now 1, so I have 1. This is x. What the x to the power? The x to the power 3 over 2. 3 over 2. See, replace 9, b, and replace a. b minus a, equal to. Now this is 3 squared will be 27 by 4 is, I think, 108 minus, with this 1 to any power will be 1. This is 4, so the answer is 104. 104. See, again, look at the examples and explain how to find the definite integral. Okay, now, in case, for example, I have integral, that I said, I have integral 10 over x, 10 over x, and from 1 to 5, for example. Dx, really this function is continuous from 2 to 5. There's no problem from 1 to 5. Only you have problem with 0. You can divide by 0. This is 1, not 0. So equal to, what the integral is? The integral is 10, and x, now we say kxn, this over, so we write it up. So that means x power what? Negative 1. What negative 1? dx. And the integral is from 1 to 5. If we have x to the power negative 1, now we can see 0 over 0, the answer will be 10 ln, ln what? ln x, absolute value of x. ln x. Why? Because the derivative of ln x is 1 over x, I mean x negative 1. Now, the integral is from a to b, from 1 to 5. Then, see, 10 ln, what ln 5? Absolute value of 5 is 5. See, you know, absolute value of 5, it is 5 because it's positive. Ln 5 minus what? Minus 10 ln absolute value of 1. Of 1, it is 1. This is also positive, 1. And see, this one will be 0, ln 1 will be 0. So the answer is 10 ln 5. The answer will be here, 10 ln 5. Okay, if we have, for example, see, if I have, for example, integral, the integral of, let us say, I have 6 over, for example, x squared dx, and x, let us say the x is from 1 to 2, for example. So this is continuous, because 1 to 2, we have no problem with x squared, all you have problem with the 0. Okay, we can divide by 0. Now, how to find the integral? Again, the integral is, we have to rewrite this one term, k x to the power n. What is the n? See, this is 2, so it will be negative 2. We have to write it up. Okay, dx. Okay, dx. Now, the integral is from what? From 1 to 2. Equal to, the answer is equal to, see, the equal what? 6k x to the power n plus 1, here we have no problem, will be negative 1 over what? Over n plus 1 over negative 1, the answer. The integral is from, the integral is from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2. Okay, equal to. Now, this one can be written as negative, here, 6, because negative, positive, negative, and over, what is negative 1 over x power 1. The integral is from what? From 1 to 2. Then I can write this one also, can write as negative 6 over 2, replace first 2, then minus, what minus? Minus 6 over x, x is 1, x is 1, x is equal to 1. So equal to, see, so we have negative 6 over x, the first one, the x is, see what the first one, the x is 2. And negative 6 minus negative 6 over x, what the x is 1, 1. This is b, and look at this one, a. So, and what is between? Between is minus subtraction. So this is 2, this is b, and this is a. Now this one is negative 3 plus 6. So the answer is equal to 3. That's all in this video.